We took the train in Canada. Sitting down until tomorrow morning. And we got a tiny bathroom there. This train. Oh, there's an electric fan. Good. And we got our bunk bed down. And there's the other one that is actually hanging up above. Had a very nice sit-down dinner. Blood orange beer inside the train in Canada. Food was great. We had a rack of lamb, a maple Dijon chicken, dessert with a chocolate cake, and a key lime pie. And we got 2 bunk beds there. One up above and one up the bottom. This is our bunk bed on the train. I am on top of the double decker. And now it's time to sleep.